For a price point of 1,20,000, you are getting the iPhone 17 Air, a phone that only comes with the charging cable, no charging brick, and not SIM-jetta tool because it only have eSIM variant, not physical SIM. But everything aside, one thing I like the most is the color and design. Oh man, in hand feel, the look, the feel. This phone is best iPhone according to me. It's completely a point that how a good in-hand feel can be. Yes, it is actually slimmer than the Samsung Edge, but it's a little more 2 grams heavier than that. Display wise, it's good 1.5K 120Hz display with LTPO technology, but that's all. Here everything ends because after that it's all about compromises. With the over 1 lakh price point phone, you get a USB generation 2. Yes, it's same with the iPhone 17, but yet it's a downgrade. Only a single speaker, a battery image that's so low that yeah, actually the 3000 image with Apple's optimization is good, but if you can do any more than day-to-day basic use, then you have to charge it twice a day, and the charging speed is also not that much great. It's limited to 20 watt. Now the A19 Pro chip is called Pro, but actually it has a less GPU core, so the performance, the raw performance you can get is very less than the actual Pro, and even it's actually less than the A19 in the iPhone 17 series. And because of the small thin form factor, the heat and thermals are very bad, very poor, that you can easily get feel hot very soon after some little gaming session or like this. So does iPhone 17 Air is a bad phone? No. So what is this phone, or who are the main targeted audience? Look, if you can spend a little more or still less, you can get better devices. Like for less than, I think, 30,000 cheaper than this, you can get the iPhone 17 512 GB variant. There you get a better battery backup, a better processor. Yes, A19 is actually more powerful than this A19 Pro in this special Air variant. Better camera, and if you can spend more, you get the Pro variants that are far superior phones. But if you want a really defined experience, you want a secondary device, then if you can spend, I will tell, just go for it. It's a great experience to have.